Always expect the unexpected. Funny. None can too perfect. Yo. That's how the world said. Happiness are when you make it. The little things appreciate it. You know what I mean? I have to make myself happy. Nobody can do it for me.
Yo, man a born Portlander. Right as so me there in case you did a wonder. Big up yourself from your off life. You're not under. Dirt in a coffin and your soul no go ya.
Blue Lagoon, you see it? Same way. See sign there? What you mean? Very famous Blue Lagoon. I don't know. See it the back of me.
Me just a go and do me thing. Me do it cause me love it and me guess them happy when me bring. Boat was on the rafting. Lucky are the captain, bent on the king with the ranking. Welcome to my parish. Welcome to my parish. Everything natural lavish. Home from home feeling make you feel very astonished. Welcome to my parish. Welcome to my parish. The place peaceful and nourished. The talent start show when the craft them start fi polish. Adventure, run a boat, run the flower. Yeah, wheel dumpling, it mixed with butter. Ting boom, who no know ask your mama. And the food is me, I tell you run the river and the beach. Fish in a file paper, well seasoned down. Okra and dark teeth, snap a mood, I tell you something. But me nah go bother, me woulda tell you something sweet, but me nah go bother.
I roll out on the kayak where I was snorkeling now, you see it? See chop them there in the water. You see me? Yo, you don't know. Them man are Blue Lagoon stars, you know. Yeah, funny Blue Lagoon, you see it. Pretty down.
Yeah, don't know. Blue Lagoon tours one more day with the out here. See me? Mad thing. Mad
Chop them
tours. One more day. So today, it's not a catch and cook, it's a cook still. So we have piece of
Barracuda.
And you see me, we know what we're going to do with the roast. Cook down, we know what we're going to do with it. But, so we're not catching nothing today. It's all about some snorkeling. And then we start out the barracuda. You see me? Right now, I'm kind of skeptical, you know, to trust the barra thing still. But, don't know, King say it good. So, I work with it. Yeah. So I'm going to chuck off because I'm back with him still chuck off for the
Smile. I'm tweet the road there, sir. Yo, this feel good. How about that? But yo, we saw a circle box still, let's see it. Me and snorkel and find them two conch here, you see it? Me know one of them are eating conch and one of them are they non eating conch, you see me I say? Yeah, Monkey Island, so not much sure another right here, so no. So right here, so the limestone there, where you rub on your skin and skin gets smooth, you see it? A lot of it, people carve out them name or something But we'll go up in the hills and show now it's set.
Hard road to travel.
Steep, you see me? Up there.
We'll go deal with some barra and thing. See if we can find a nice spot where we can set up kitchen and things. So okay, so I go.
So alright, that's where I was set up now. Cross over from the ledge. So far. Pretty place. But behind the reef look beautiful. Before I make a catch, you got far and go catch jelly.
So, couple slices of barra.
Monkey Island with the see it. So the place stay. If camping are going, we have to just come and make a clean up. That's
King knows I'm my chef and I'll let me do this. So.
Why chef?
So again, we not stop saying to pray for me because you give me barra feet and I know the barra won't tree.
Yo, me and my daddy eat some last night. No doing.
Yeah?
So good. Yeah, Gavin and Shana. Remember that? Remember that? Peeps. And me tuggy them, you know, Gavin and Shana, when we did take a tour come up here, so you see me? So a lot of people come and left them name. So here we are. Anytime you come left phone name, you see me? Look for them YouTube channel, Journey with the Jacksons, you see it? Alright, happy man. Yeah man. Sorry say GoPro get knocked. You see me?
On the grill or a Cuda.
Yeah man, I know I say pepper man. If nobody has seen the signal.
Shovel dead, you know. Ah boy.
Coconut this, meat nice. Tough, sweet. Jelly meat.
The peeps, bar and coconut meat survival challenge they call this, alright? So what I know, King? About 6 after 6?
Yeah.
Night get trip on the island. I have to kayak over back to civilization.
Kayak dia wash it.
Entah?
Bau ni tu sekali.
A few moments later.
Yo, me say something burn me three socks them dog. Huh? Me don't know if I fire coal or the metal thing.
What?
Burn me three socks them. Me big toe. Me don't know if I fire coal or the metal thing or the grill. I see kayak. Where kayak next kayak?
Is a road, mine is a road, mama.
No, sir. Go hunt that down now. Babes, the next kayak gone. It gone, man. You have to go hunt it now. And that's why I charge you the show what you look like.
Oh, the night.
Snorkel. Alright, that's so. Yeah, we have to go so. Come on in front, yeah.
So after this with this?
No, yeah, we are going to go and feed with that.
Yeah, with this one, huh?
Yeah, me and you.
No, I said, could I put on life jacket and gun? I want life
Yeah,
jacket.
everything gone. So come in front, yeah, so we are paddle back. Babes. Kayak gone. Look so. Kayak gone, you're free. Hold this.
Huh?
Yeah, man, stone.
And I want paddle. Put my front leg. Sure, this is something. Oh God, King, I'm here now. You want to take it so? This one, huh? Sick God, King. Look over there, run joke and say, tide rise the fuck and take away something. This a video? Oh, you're not coffee. Okay, come on. That's you can put. But we can come on, sir. You know what? Work them a little bit. Smell it. Sick like something is nowhere to be found. It's seen as another dog. Oh, God. I'm going to check out the side of then. Yo, to your current move, I think you're attacking so.
Right, you know, I turn back, you know. Because a eagle raid just come right on my finger upon the kayak, you know. And I make them reach under there so ugly. You see me I say, right now, Courtney, you have to follow me go over that. When you feel like, me alone not do it. Trouble dead there.
Oh, God. rascal at this now. So, which part? Run, sir. Over the house there. King, is that what so?
No, the charge they say what go on and they are short way, but we think of the workman them on the site to talk to them one another, you see it. So now when we are look for it, him a short way I say over so he gone. You see me?
Yeah. Over my house. The far na dog. No know say correct, no know we can't push so. When we get stuck, look lad. What the blood clot. What a take that gun with you, dog. Hold on, this a record? That's it. So, we're up on the island. The island there. So we dock the kayak. Because whenever that then good, well the tide rise. So I come and ready to go over and go one kayak. So we're in a vast ocean. So somebody said them see it over so. So we can't go over there in this, so we are going to try dock and then we go over. So we have snorkeling gears and everything in that kayak. So if that kayak ever go out at sea, why I'm going to tell us we just come in. Then just come in and we test them out. And if we lose them, we see them there, boy, that's rough. So I'm not no, we have to go when we go for it, I have to come over for the in a night, dog. Yo, tips. This is an episode. Oh, but if I saw one girl come to
can go down the line and go.
I mean down straight down?
In time they are that just run good on the boat. If somebody walk come over. Kayak wash way. We don't want deep.
The island, I look for barra, that kayak. Are you ready? Only one kayak.
Me alone a paddle, me I'm tired. At night I come down.
Oh, so seems like
deep, you know?
it seems like so see when I did ocean way in the night, yeah. I search for kayak, but somebody
somebody
see it and
people out there with eagle here. One just come up on the kayak side.
what?
One over there. So.
Over in the power boat?
Yeah. I think me see.
Oh, me put me on the Pokemon today.
So like, see them all look there. I've been down here.
I said that. Hey!
Yo, Arville! Get washed way!
It's a joke. Yeah, I can't imagine for the one kayak that I couldn't find the night and we couldn't go across. What the fuck would have to stay over there? I call for help.
Suppose I know them did it.
You see nowhere inside, King? Which way? Over the house. So that like that man see when they take it in. Cause that man said go over to where the house there. See that I go over there, King, watch ya. Watch ya. See that? See there?
Arville! Get cast away!
The night I come dog, boom, can't have me out the night dog. I don't know how to explain it.
We should talk about it, man, because we talk about it.
I say, suppose we're on the island now, I say, suppose we're on the island, we look, we see we kayak them, we out to sea. What would I do? Just come down and see same thing. Look at, we could have go over now, but I equipment them.
Yeah.
You see me this?
Oh, go on! Go forward! Yeah, we got risky.
Got risky now, I don't want to see something excited, so...
Go on, I said, man.
Out of water?
No, I'm going to dry you.
But one day if you bump my crowd, I'm going to be gazing the panicking. That's ready if you know. So see, get risky. So apparently these are the guys who saw the kayak, and we haven't seen the kayakers yet, but hopefully they dock it for us and everything is intact. What? Oh my, this dog coming out water, no king. Okay, man, hey, Bob! King, you give me something, give me something. Give me something, I want something. Yo. The dog. You know what it's a pot with a farm island and run. And the dog kayak there one gone.
How much you can pay for reward? How much you can pay for reward? You can pay for reward.
Okay, well I mind that.
No. You can pay for reward.
Where is it, man?
No, where is it? Wow, on the ton news man now. You can court on the ton.
So they're on TV, Jay. So you see them people? So them a charge me. See them a charge me.
No, how much a kayak can cost? Oh no.
Huh?
How much a kayak can cost? How much you rent it for?
Bombage. And from evening we are diving. Oh. Right now as me go up and wash off, I go sleep. It's a lucky thing Courtney now work tonight.
I want work tonight. You win?
You win and he new security.
Yes, of course, but then you go for the top of security.
Yeah.
So the car brother dry up.
Stay here, so.
Alright, stay here, so. What's the good?
Follow that man?
Yeah, I go over the feet.
Alright, that's where you come now, right? That's where you know.
Yeah.
That's why I when we come to sit and see these things, it's not that much. Come up on here. So, and then see right there, sir. We'll hand it. One bread, you need to dry it up, you know. Look. The security car, one gentleman, dry you up. Look if you see left in the way there, sir. When you see one guy without shirt, no short pants, he dry it up. The security lady car, one of them gentlemen, you know. You know, on blue shorts. Shirt and he couldn't dry it up. He got away there. Some like, if you see English right there, Courtney, right there, so some just like he's dry. Some like, yeah. So we just kind of see that come down, I'm not saying, what we looking at?
But yo, he drift fast still, you know.
Yeah, he can come and I said, me myself to security, but nobody know the panic. I'm not saying get you. They will look at me soon while they say no, so them man they get you from. I look, you know, so the wild raft, the bamboo raft, then get you and come all over beach, so you know them have to come to them, you know. Eh? Yes, and it come because hey, we stand up just one seat and come down, but when you reach near them, so we see so nobody know the panic, you know.
Oh.
And they come in and then they come on the right here, so they come in. So when they come on female security, must have circle and see so me come here, me talk to her. So I check off one female up here, so where she go to one all the time. And one at the time we did watch her. So when she said she see Blue Lagoon tour, me say no, no good and fear. So when we start now, we see a man over there. And then me see one of them a circle around and such a virgin say, you know, say at the kayak them a look for door. Yes, and some man from your house tell them say he come down your way, so when they come down, me shout them. And over here for them years I come because he tired I bring it. So you know. Yeah man, I respect here, sir.
Respect. Yeah?
It's not that good. Now you can't that here, so I come for them.
Yo.
Colonel. You. Yeah man, where they are gobbling is, we're forward. Here. Colonel that call you. Daddy Benton. So we soon forward car. 7:45, 8 o'clock curfew. We get wash your peeps. You know what I mean? We have Monkey Island. You know, it's a kayak gone. You see it over Alligator Head on the beach. You see it. So it's a good thing we have links. You know what I mean? Enough respect to Harville. You see it, because Harville did see it. I make we know how to go on and they charge it over the guest house. I'm not sure which one I guest house them, but I make we know say in their short we still, you know. But we know say a wee my signal think I construction man them. You see me? But same thing when we there eat and I say what if this happen? I same thing go happen. You see me? So the episode there, this is how we never expect. Then say always expect the unexpected. Dog, what was the experience?
It was a good experience. I always watch Last at Sea. And today come up, so see me almost curfew time, so I was try reaching back and things. So it was that. It was a good day still. Barra tastes good and thing. See me, Monkey Island, first experience at Monkey Island. And so those feel cool, kayak, get washed right. But it was a good evening still, is it?
Yeah.
I could tell you ain't from around it. All that body, baby, is nothing. Pull up on that, then it drop dead. That's what I'm dead. Looking for a real one, you found it. California king, we gon' go round on it. No doubt you, leave your legs shaking. I might sing to that like la da da dee da. Girl, you're so classic, it don't need no features. Ooh, yeah. Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh. Cause I can't. God damn, you know who I am. Tried to be on the low, but you ain't slow. Keep my shirt open, eyes low. Get a lot of paper, I know, but you ain't into that. You like real facts. Like if you show love, you gon' get it back. Like if you good, you won't get it back. Like if you cook, want a real that. Gon' rap to that like, we can go and get a private room. We could for one night and got the broom. Say it, chill.
Yo, my dog, everything good? Oh. Yeah, half me there, all half I say me a check in and see. Oh, God. Yeah, I journey me I look pan to, you know. No. But me I pay Jimmy early still. You see it. But they are still, so big up. Yeah.